My Team. This is a space for you to create your care team and invite other members involved in providing care to the person with dementia to join your account. When you enter for the first time, the first step will be to add the person cared for and create the team around that person and yourself. To add a cared person, you press the plus icon on the bottom right. Start by entering the person cared for's name. For confidentiality purposes, using a nickname is recommended. Then you start inviting members of the care team. To add a new team member, press the plus sign on the bottom right. You can only invite someone if they have an account with Dementia Talk. Every user has a unique username. Write down the Dementia Talk username of the person that you want to invite. In this screen, you can decide what this person will be able to view and do in the account. Pressing the eye icon next to a specific feature gives the person permission to see the information. Pressing the pencil option gives the person the ability to see and edit the information. In the scheduler, there are two options, calendar and task. If I let someone view the calendar, that means they can see the full calendar on this account. If I select task, that means they can only view and get notifications of the tasks that they are assigned to. Once you are done setting the permissions, you can press send. Then you wait for the person that is invited to accept. When you go back to My Team, you will see your team and the status of invitations. You can always remove users or edit their permissions as needed.